Hello, this is Joe Abenante at the Valley Library Consortium. In this section, we'll go over other search features, such as viewing related works, viewing an alphabetical list from related works, viewing a call number list, conducting a previous search, and restricting a search. First, we'll go over viewing related works. Horizon can show you items that are related to the item you just found. These items can be related by author or subject. You access related works from the Bib Detail window. Let's open up a new search by clicking on the searching folder in the navigation bar or using the shortcut F2. We'll do a title browse search under Against Borders. Click OK, hit enter. And we have Against Borders. Click on Show Detail. Now we're at the Bib record. To look at related works, click on the button below, Related Works, and there are two categories that you can choose, either author or subjects. If you choose author, it will search for related works under Hazel Rockman. If instead you choose subjects, you will be doing a search under the subjects that are listed. Now let's go back up to author and click OK and do a search for related works under Hazel Rockman. Hazel Rockman is brought forward. There are 5 titles. To look at those titles, hit Show Titles, and there they are. Now we'll do that same related work search under the subjects. Again, we're going to highlight the title, click on Show Detail. Once we're at the Bib level, click on Related Works, and now we're going to highlight subjects. Click OK. And those 4 subjects are brought forward with the number of titles. To look at any of those titles, just click on the subject that you want to look at and click on Show Titles. Now there is a shortcut method to looking at related works. Instead of clicking on the button Related Works, you can simply double-click on the category. For example, under Author, Hazel Rockman, double-click on that, and now Hazel Rockman is brought forward with the 5 titles. And to look at those again, highlight Show Titles. To look at related works with the subjects listed, double-click on the subjects area. And those subjects are again brought forward with a number of titles. To look at those, again, highlight and Show Titles. Now we'll show you how to view an alpha list from related works. We'll do a search under Against Borders. Highlight that, click on Show Detail, and then we'll click on Related Works for author Hazel Rockman. And now here we can send Hazel Rockman to the alpha list to see if there are other Hazel Rockmans, for example. And there are none. She's the only one, but this is the alpha list. Now we'll do a related works again, but this time under subjects. And this time we have the subjects brought forward: children, minorities, children's literature, etc. And if we want to send that to the alpha list, for example, if we want to find more subjects other than children, books, and reading in the United States, we would highlight that and go down to Alpha List, click on that. And now you can see there are many more subjects beyond children, books, and reading in the United States. Next, we'll show you how to view a call number list. The call number list will give you a way to view items that are shelved near the record you've just searched, and which therefore contain similar information. Let's do a search on Against Borders. Highlight it, click on Show Detail, and this time we'll click on the To Call Number List button. Now we can see our title and where it is in relation to other call numbers around it. Next, we'll show you how to conduct a previous search. Horizon saves search strings and search indexes used during a current Horizon session. Closing the session clears all previous search strings. Let's choose a new search by either clicking on the searching folder or hitting F2. And we'll do a search Against Borders. And we'll do another search, hit F2. Gone Wild. And now at this point, if you wanted to do a previous search, you can hit F2 again or click on that new searching button, and there's a button, Previous Search. Click on that, or you can hit Alt-P, which is a little shortcut. Let's click on Previous Search, and that brings up all of the previous searches that you've done. To choose any of those, just scroll down, highlight it, and click OK. And that brings that search term brought forward, and then click OK here. And now we have Jonah and the Whale. So to do a previous search, you can be at the new search window and just do Alt-P. Scroll down, highlight the title you want to search on, click OK, click OK, and now you're at Gone Wild. Last, we're going to discuss restricting a search. Horizon lets you narrow the types and locations of records you want to search for. For example, if you are interested only in items that are currently checked in, you would restrict your search to that criteria. So let's do a search on a title against borders. But this time we're going to restrict our search by hitting the Restrict button, and we're going to select items that have been checked in by highlighting that, and that is repeated at the bottom. Click OK, and we're brought back to that search screen with this restriction listed again. Click OK. And against borders has the arrow next to it. It is not grayed out, therefore it is checked in. Well, let's do another search on a title gone wild. This time we're going to restrict that search to a location. Scroll down and choose the location for which you want to restrict your search. In this case, I'm going to choose Bay County, Penn County. That's my restriction. Click OK. Titles are restricted to Bay County, Penn County. Click OK. And the first title has the arrow. It's grayed out, meaning it does not belong to Penn County, nor does the second. But the third title, Gone Wild, an Endangered Animal Alphabet, does belong to Penn County. To take a look at that, just highlight it, click Show Detail, and we'll click Show Copies. And you can see Penn County does have this title. That concludes this section on other search features.